So for unsending a message on iPhone, let me tell you there are two types of messages in iPhone. The first one is iMessage and the second kind of message is text message. Let me tell you that you can only unsend the iMessage, which will be sent using your Apple ID, and not the text messages which will be sent using your phone number or SIM card. And let me also tell you that at the end of this video I will also tell you that how you can track the location of your friends in your iPhone. So now for unsending a message on iPhone or iMessage on iPhone, you have to just send a message ABC, and for example, let's send this message. And now for unsending it, you have to tap and hold on the message, and here you get the option undo send, which is the second option in this list. So when you tap on undo send, and you can see that that message has been disappeared completely for everyone. So that's how you unsend a message. And let me also clear that your very old iMessages can't be unsent. So you have to keep that thing in mind, that you can unsend the messages which was recently sent, I think within the limit of half or 1 hour. So now for tracking your friend's location every time, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video. I'll be waiting for you in that video there. Thank you so much.